Hong Kong's latest outbreak was the worst and most widespread, prompting the government to impose its strictest social distancing measures yet. It's proved effective for now, but according to the medical community here, this will not be the last wave for the city.
COVID-19 virus is a very smart virus, so it's behaving more and more like influenza. So it's likely to be staying with us for a long time. And the way to combat this virus will be by vaccination.
Dr. Ivan Hung is a virologist treating coronavirus patients at one of the city's main hospitals and is working with the University of Hong Kong to develop a vaccine.
Hopefully our own vaccine will be able to go into phase 1 in the coming November, and the vaccine will be an inhaling kind of vaccine.
It's still in the early stages of development, but at least 5 Chinese companies are already in phase 3 of clinical trials. That's the last stage of testing required for approval, which means they could introduce a vaccine for public use by early next year. For now, Hong Kong's government believes mass testing is the best way to control the spread of the virus.
Over the past month, we've been the only Hong Kong private laboratory to be appointed by the Hong Kong government for mass community testing. So in the past month, we've already done 200,000 tests, and we will continue that with high cluster areas. Danny Yeung is the CEO and co-founder of Prenetics. It's one of 5 companies enlisted to help with mass testing set to begin next month. Prenetics will continue to focus on high-risk clusters, while the other 4 companies, all subsidiaries of mainland Chinese firms, will spearhead the voluntary testing drive. Hong Kong's government wants to test at least 5 million people in about 2 weeks. A team of about 60 experts from mainland China will be leading the process. That, along with the fact that the majority of the companies conducting the tests have links across the border, is raising concern and suspicion among some groups. On Sunday, activists and local politicians held a news conference calling on people here to be wary of the free government testing offered.
The mass testing of Hong Kong government is trying to get the DNA data from Hong Kong people and may pass to the Chinese company. And so we are worried that our data are being monitored or even sent to different Chinese authorities.
The government has dismissed the claims, saying that no samples will be sent to the mainland and the laboratories will not receive any personal information. Divya, Gopalan, Jazeera, Hong Kong.